In this video, we're going to be kicking off 2018 by checking out some new neckband earphones from Spigen. So let's go. What's up, guys? Welcome back. I'm Jeff at eljefereviews.
My name is Jeff.
It's Jefe, man.
And this week, we're checking out the Spigen Legato Arc neckband earphones. Right now, you can pick these up on Amazon.com for $99.99, but they are running a promo that knocks 20 bucks off, bringing them back to $79.99. Just got to make sure you click on that small coupon link that's right under the price tag on the Amazon page. And as always, I'll be leaving links to these headphones right down in the description box below. And I just want to take a moment to give a special shout out to Spigen for reaching out to me, getting these out to me free of charge for my honest opinion and review. And to be honest, I was actually very surprised that Spigen contacted me to do a review on some neckband earphones. They're known for doing cell phone accessories, especially their top end, really high quality cell phone cases. I've been a fan of those for a long time. I've been using them since my Galaxy S5. I can honestly tell you that they are the best cell phone cases that I've ever used. So it seems that they are now branching out into some small electronics, neckband headphones and stuff. And I'm happy to be one of the very first ones to bring you a review of this product. Now, before we go any further, consider hitting that subscribe button along with that small bell icon. And this way you guys never miss any of my weekly uploads. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and dive right in. All right, so here we have them, the Legato Arc by Spigen. 3 EQ sound mode, normal, bass, and treble, Bluetooth, and Qualcomm aptX, ultra wide dynamic sound. And then here we have, so like a parts breakdown of the drivers and all that, give you some basic specs. But let's go ahead and get these out of the box. Let's take a look at them here. All right, get that out of the way. Looks like we've got our accessories box there. All right, so Legato logo right there. Qualcomm aptX. Got your multifunction button right here. Hold this for a few seconds to turn them on. It's also your play, pause, and to answer phone calls. This is the volume and track slider. Back, forward, that'll give you, up and down on your volume, and then you hold it in either direction, and that'll give you, skip a track back or skip a track forward. And then here you have the drivers themselves, attached that way, pull them all the way out, yank on them again, and they auto retract. And these are super comfortable. I mean, the whole set is very lightweight, and these are some of the most comfortable ear tips that I've tried. So that's a definite plus on these. You can wear these for hours without any discomfort, which is pretty awesome. Now, they're mostly a plastic build. They have a little bit of a rubber or soft touch material here, but they feel super high quality and very premium. Twist them, bend them. They're also sweat resistant, so they're great for working out, things like that. And they also have, the built-in mic and everything, so you can answer phone calls. I, took a phone call with these to test that out, and it came out pretty clear. I could hear them very clearly. They could hear me very clearly, so that's a good touch. Now, these are running Bluetooth 4.1. They also have 135 milliamp hour battery built into them. So, that's good for anywhere from, I'd say 7 to 10 hours of talk time, depending on how loud you're listening to them or what you're doing with them. And after that, you also have a 2-hour recharge time on that small battery. So, but yeah, so pretty straightforward there. And then let's go ahead and take a look and see what they include in the box here. Okay, so let's see. Okay, got your different earbud size tips here. I like that everybody started doing this with their headphones. I don't know if you guys are those, like me. I do switch these out to make sure that I get the right size. For my ears, I usually have to use the large tip sizes, but you can see some pretty good sound improvement when you get them fitting correctly. So yeah, that's definitely a thing you should try if you don't normally do that. Charging cable, which is micro USB to USB, standard for most stuff like this, and a user manual. So not bad. Multi-language, pretty good. So what do I like and dislike about these headphones? Well, firstly, I like the fact that they're super comfortable. They're actually one of the most comfortable set of earbuds that I've worn or tried in a long time. They have a premium quality feel to them, but they are still super light, so you barely notice them when you're wearing them. This makes them great for wearing them for extended periods of time. Maybe you're traveling, watching a movie, working out, anything like that. Makes them great for that sort of thing. Now, the second thing I like about them is that they're simple and easy to use. The design is simple. There isn't a bunch of extra doodads or buttons or anything extra about them. You know, you have the one multifunction button, then you have your volume and track, slider that goes back and forth, plus the micro USB port, and that's it. So they're super simple to use, very easy to pair. So that's definitely a plus for the Spigen Legato Arcs. Now, on the other hand, one of the things that I thought was kind of lacking in these was sort of in the sound quality department. Now, they do have good sound quality. My only issue is that for my personal taste, they didn't get loud enough. I was, for an earphone that runs anywhere from 80 to 100 bucks, I was expecting to get, almost ear-shattering sound, if anything. But these, I could turn them up all the way and, I was only maybe slightly uncomfortable, which is a good thing. I mean, they can protect your ears, but, maybe you're hard of hearing, you need a little extra volume or a little extra kick in your music. They just weren't doing that for me. Now, I'm not trying to knock Spigen on these earphones. I know this is one of their initial entries into this market, but I would, for the next time, I would like them to have, maybe a little bit more volume, because the sound sounds good. If they only got louder, I think it would be awesome. But, they've got good bass, the mids and highs are nice and clear. They just don't have enough volume for me personally. So all in all, I do like these headphones. I believe Spigen made a nice quality product, especially being one of their first initial entries into this market. I believe that they have plenty of room to grow, but this is a good initial start. They feel high quality, they feel durable, they're sweat proof, the sound quality is good. I believe that moving forward, their products are only going to get better and better. So if you're in the market for one of these neckband headphones that runs anywhere from 80 to 120 bucks, you definitely should take a look at the Spigen Legato Arc. That wraps up my unboxing and review of the Spigen Legato Arc neckband earphones. Let me know what you guys think of these down in the comments section. Also, if you have any questions or concerns, go ahead and leave those down there too, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And as always, if you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button for me, and if you didn't like this video, feel free to hit that dislike button, that's cool too. And if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button along with that small bell icon, and this way you never miss any of my future weekly videos. Now, with all that being said, I want to wish everyone a happy new year. Everyone have a great week, and I will see you guys in the next video.